Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class 1, today we are going to learn unit number 10 from the book We Learn English, and the topic is going places. This is your We Learn English book, which is by Oxford. Now open unit number 10, going places. We all enjoy going out. We go to school every day. We go to visit people, and sometimes we go to the market to buy things. We use many things around us when we go out. This is a picture of a railway station. Look at the picture carefully and then read the text that follows. This is a picture of a railway station, and the lines are given to us about the railway station, and the lines are: this is a picture of a railway station. This is a train at the platform. There is a train at the platform. There are many people in the picture. Some people are sitting on the platform and some are standing. You can see all these things which we are reading the lines. There is also a small stall that sells biscuits and other things. People go to the railway station if they want to travel or to receive people who are coming to their city by train. Let's read it again. This is a picture of railway station. There is a train at the platform. There are many people in the picture. Some people are sitting on the platform and some are standing. You can see some people are sitting and some are standing. There is also a small stall that sells biscuits and other things. People go to the railway station if they want to travel or to receive people who are coming to their city by train. Now come to the next page. Writing time. Now look at this picture carefully and write a few sentences about it. You can see this is the picture of a bazaar. Now write the sentences about this picture. This is a picture of a bazaar. A bazaar is a busy place. फुल स्टॉप. जब हम ए लिखेंगे तो फर्स्ट लेटर ए जो है वो कैपिटल होगा. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग अ सेंटेंस द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द सेंटेंस शुड बी कैपिटल. सो राइट ए कैपिटल, देन गिव सम स्पेस गैप एंड राइट बाजार. अ बाजार इज, स्पेलिंग ऑफ बाजार इज BAZAR. बाजार is a busy place. BUSY, busy. PLACE, place. A bazaar is a busy place. Now write the next sentence. People can buy, PEOPLE, people. CAN, can. BUY, buy. People can buy vegetables. Write the spelling of vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables. कॉमा लगाएंगे. fruits, FRUITS, fruits. and and fruits and meat, MEAT, meat from here. From, HERE, here. People can buy vegetables, fruits and meat from here. Full stop. The next sentence is, I also go there to buy things. I कैपिटल आएगा, उसके बाद लिखिए also, 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 go, go, THERE, there, TO2, BUY, buy, THINGS, things. I also go there to buy things. I am repeating the sentences which you have to write in these lines. A bazaar is a busy place. Full stop. People can buy vegetables, fruits and meat from here. Full stop. I also go there to buy things. Full stop. Now come to the next page. Read this poem with your teacher. Okay, let's read the poem. Pussycat, 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 where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, when did you go? I went on a Sunday with my friend Joe. Pussycat, pussycat, how did you go there? I went by a taxi and paid a huge fare. Very good. Let's read the poem again. Pussycat, 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 where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, when did you go? I went on a Sunday with my friend Joe. Pussycat, pussycat, how did you go there? I went by a taxi and paid a huge fare. Okay, now we have to do some activity. Activity time. Recite the poem in two groups. One group can ask a question and the second group can reply. Okay, question words are who, when, how, what and why are question words. We use these words when we are asking questions. You know, we always use these questions when we ask questions to others. Who are you? When you go to school? How are you? What are you doing? And why are you sleeping? So all these words use in asking questions. Underline all question words in this poem. You can see where. Underline the where in the line number 3. In the next paragraph, in line number 2, underline the what. In the third paragraph, underline when. Underline how. So there are 4 questioning words: where, what, when and how. You have to underline all these words. Now come to the next page. Read these questions and answers. Who are you? I am Neha. How are you? I am fine. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Where are you going? I am going there. Where are you? Why are you laughing? I am happy. With your partner, ask and answer these questions orally. What is your name? How old are you? When do you go to school? How do you go home? Where do you live? Who lives with you? What is the color of your house? And what is your hobby? What is your favorite fruit? Who is your best friend? Come to the next page. Vowels and consonants. As you know, there are 26 letters in the English alphabets. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowel. The remaining letters are called consonants. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel, and we use a before a word that begins with a consonants. Which words start with vowels, we use an with them, and the words which start with consonant, we use a before them. So read aloud with your teacher. An apple. As you can see, a is vowel, so we are using an before a. An orange, a bat, a star, an egg, a dog, a door, an umbrella. And which words start with vowels? We are writing an before them. And which words start with consonants like bat, star, dog and door? We write a before these words. Come to the next page, activity time, the vowel tree. This is vowel tree, and in this tree, elephant, ink, ant, van, pen, chair, goat, table, jeep, ice cream, egg, eraser, zip, hat, umbrella, desk, bus, mouth. Read the words with your teacher and color all the words that begin with a vowel. Now you have to color elephant because it is starting with E and E is a vowel. Color ink. Ink is start with the letter I and I is vowel. Ant. Color the ant. Ice cream. Ice cream is also starting with vowel. Vowel is I, so color it. Egg and eraser. These two words are starting with E and E is a vowel, so color these words. And you can see the last word is here, umbrella. You have to color umbrella because U is also a vowel, so color the umbrella. So which words are vowels? Which words are starting with vowels in this tree? Elephant, ink, ant, ice cream, egg, eraser and umbrella. And color all these words which starting with vowels. And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, come to the next page. Now it's your exercise work. Page number 73, 5, 6, 7 and 78. We done all the reading of these pages and the work which was on these pages we already done it. Book work, we done the page number 74 work already when we are reading the lesson. The sentences which we write. B, all question words, where, what, when and how, which we underline in the poem on the page number 75. Now you have to write vowels and consonants in your copy. As you know, there are 26 letters and 5 are vowel and then the remainings are consonants. So you have to write these vowels and consonants in your copy, in your English green tag copy, and color all the words begin with a vowel on the page number 79 as we done before. For the 79 in the vowel tree, we color all those words which are starting with the vowels. And your copy work is words meanings: little, tiny, frightened, scared, paid, wages. Now you have to write these word sentences on your copy. The first word is what, and the sentence is what is your name. The second word is where do you live. The third word is how, and the sentence is how are you. Question and answers: where does train come? And the answer is the train comes on railway station. Question number 2 is when do we go to school? And the answer is we go to school daily. So this is your copy work and the book work also, which we done before. So learn all the unit number 10 and do the book work on the book and the copy work on your English green tag copy. So take care of yourself, students. Allah Hafiz.